Meaning of forgot.
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 Forgot. Forgot is a verb that means to fail to remember something. This can happen due to various reasons like age, stress, or other distractions. When someone forgets something, they lose the ability to recall information they had previously learned or experienced. This can lead to inconvenience, delays, frustration, or even danger. Forgetting can be unintentional or intentional, and it can affect short-term or long-term memory. To minimize forgetting, people can use memory aids like notes, reminders, repetition, or association techniques. Remembering things accurately is crucial for learning, communication, problem-solving, decision-making, and personal identity.